2018 Toyota Prius. Prius offers harmony between man, nature, and machine. Using the wind, the sun, and advanced hybrid technology, Prius is a true full hybrid, one reason for its EPA estimated combined 50 mpg rating. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, traction control, keyless entry, lane departure warning, anti-lock braking system, backup camera, steering wheel audio controls, Bluetooth, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, aluminum wheels, climate control, rear defrost, AM/FM stereo radio, front wheel drive, power door locks, MP3 player, CD player, bucket seats. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.